Mga official NBA signings naman tayo for today. First, para sa Indiana Pacers, they will sign Braden Smith. Meron nga itong impressive collegiate resume. A first-team All-American in consecutive seasons and former Big Ten Player of the Year. Sa kanyang senior year is nag-average ito ng 14.3 points, 8.8 assists, and 1.7 steals. Nag-struggle lang ito sa kanyang shooting efficiency nitong Summer League, pero yung kanyang floor vision is elite. 7 assists per game sa Summer League. They're getting every player na pwedeng maging backup ni Tyrese Haliburton para hindi ito maging burden yung kanyang mga heavy minutes sa kanyang pagbabalik. Another low-risk operational win para sa Pacers. Another floor general who can execute their system when called upon. He just needs to adjust sa physical NBA perimeter defense. But yung pagiging, niya talaga, magandang court vision yung kanyang kartada sa liga. Next, para naman sa Houston Rockets, they will sign Sean Pedulla, ang G League Rookie of the Year, averaging 20.3 points, 5.5 assists at 1.5 steals sa loob ng 42 games para sa Rip City Remix at San Diego Clippers. Winave nga ito ng Los Angeles this month and isa sa mga naging development guards na hinahanap ng mga team sa market at nauna ang Houston Rockets sa kanya. Another floor general sa Rockets who brings high volume scoring threat, has the ability to hit pull-up jumpers, navigates pick and rolls, and apply full court pressure, makes him a multi-dimensional guard na capable of controlling the tempo. Naging malaking tulong yung G-League sa kanya for landing the spot sa Houston Rockets. Next, para naman sa New Orleans Pelicans, they will sign Trendon Watford on a minimum deal. Sobrang daming malaking offer sa kanya sa international basketball, pero mas pinili niyang magstay sa NBA for his 6th season in the league, kung saan nakita natin siya last season with the Philadelphia 76ers, averaging 6.5 points and 3.3 rebounds sa loob ng 16.3 minutes na playing time. Pero nung nasa net siya, efficient to eh. Nagkaroon rin siya ng reputation bilang isang versatile playmaking forward capable of pushing the pace off the glass. Okay din kasi yung value niya talaga eh. At 6'8", he can be a secondary playmaker, merong ball handling, may motor sa rebound, push the ball in transition, and execute short roll passes. Backup plan din in case na merong injury kay Zion Williamson or Derek Quinn. Next, para sa Phoenix Suns, they will re-sign defensive specialist Haywood Highsmith to a minimum deal. Winave nga ito ng Suns, tas kinuha rin ulit para manavigate ng maayos yung kanilang salary cap. Yung kanyang tenure dito is hindi nakita ng maayos or hindi natin nakita yung full potential dahil sa injury. Pero kapag healthy ito, a classic 3-and-D wing na nakapag-establish na ng pangalan sa liga after a successful 4-year stint with the Miami Heat. Noong final 2 seasons niya with the Heat, he converted 39% of 3-point attempts while defending the primary perimeter threat ng kalaban. Sakto naman siya dito sa Suns kasi ang daming high volume creators eh. Pwede siyang abang-abang na lang sa corner eh. Kung di lang talaga sa injury is mataas sana yung value niya sa free agency market. Pero good for him na binigyan pa rin siya ng pagkakataon ng Suns and he can prove himself once again this season. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye.